Good morning, everyone. Let me give you an update with Lab and Homework 1 and from your perspective here and what's expected of you in this. So I'm going to update that link in the video, and this is basically how you would do your video, you would do your assignment, and how it is submitted once you're completing the assignment in this thing with as well. So I'm going to use this interface right here. Let me change this to your view. My apology. So on your view, you would have this particular screen on your announcement with it. You can access the lab with this link, or if you go to lab and homework over here, and this would actually demonstrate all of the has all the labs. That's what you have. Or going back, this link points to that directory anyways. So I'll take it from the announcement. You click on this. And there are a couple, like I said, I have a video here, how to install your Visual Studio Community. And this is the document. You download this right here. All right. Now, I'm using Firefox. I recommend you use Firefox or Edge for the entire class with it. Please do not use Chrome. Please do not use Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, both the latest version. So once I'm using Firefox, I'm going to click on this. This goes to my download. If you look up here in the upper right in your browser, there's a down arrow and there's a line. Click on it, and it gives you this particular folder right here, right? So let me use this right here with it. So this platform right here with it. So this is my download folder that I have. Let me just grab that, copy that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on. You can create a folder on your desktop or somewhere in your class. If you have a class desktop that you are using, create a folder called COSC 1436. File management is your how you do your structure with it. Keep it organized with it as well. What I'm going to do is I have a folder called Sandbox, a little place where I play a lot of stuff in there with it. I'm just going to throw this in here. This is the file, okay? This is the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just have a folder. Let me do this again. I'll create a folder called COSC. COSC 1436. How's that? And this is for whatever semester you have. Let's say this happens to be summer. In the future, fall, spring, put the year number on it, okay? And I want to create a subdirectory called labs homework in here. Alright, and this happens to be your first one that you're doing, so I'm going to paste that zip file in here. Now you notice this is a zip file because it has a zipper, it's compressing here. So I'm just going to right mouse click, extract all. Takes its default path. This is the path where it's going to put it right here. So I'm going to click on extract. Alright, and this is the subdirectory. If you look at this path right here, here's that folder I just created, COSC 1436 lab HW with its date in the folder with it, and it has a subdirectory in there as well. You notice the icon has changed. It no longer has a zipper in there as well. It's no longer compressed. Extract that. You have two subdirectory, one called homework, one called lab, and the other one's the Word document. So inside of your homework, you open this Word document up. You do whatever you need to do. Okay, sorry, my MS Word is not working properly. And then your lab document is basically the installation of that with it. So this is not about showing how to do. I have another video on both of these things as well. But this is the one that, I don't know why my word's all corrupted. But you would actually do everything that when you're done in this thing. So once you download this is what I ask for you to do. Remember this folder right here that you extracted? The lab ABCD with this right here. So right mouse click on it for me. Just right mouse click on it. Rename. Change that ABCD. Just highlight that part right there and put your first initial in there, uppercase. So let's say you're John, starts with a J, and let's say your last name's Smith. I'm going to do uppercase S, M-I-T. Okay, that's all you do. Hit enter. everything that you have inside of this. I should really change it at this level. Let me do that again. I'm going to change the, let's say your name is John and Smith. Okay, so this is the level. All right, you see inside, I know I have 2 John Smith here, but this is the level with the 2 subdirectories that you have and the file. So when you're done with this, when you're done with everything, close out of all your application, meaning your MS Word, your Visual Studio, close out everything, because you cannot compress when sometimes you can't compress, especially when Word and Visual Studio is open and it's running and you're trying to compress the file. It's not going to work. It's not going to let you. It's going to be corrupt when I get it. Okay, so make sure you close out all of your application with it, and you right mouse click. You see where it says send to compress folder? You see this? All right, click on that and it will compress it for you. It will give you the compression with the .zip file with it as well. Okay, so please compress with .zip extension for me. This is the file that you'll be upload to Ecampus. This is the file that you will upload to Ecampus to me. When I get it, I uncompress it and then I go and I grade it. Okay, does that make sense? If you have a question, please post in the troubleshooting and the discussion board, or email me. All right. So when you're done with this, you're going to take this to the Ecampus. So I'm going to show you where that is with it. So you go to Ecampus and you see where it says submit lab and homework here, or my announcement. And this is the file right here, lab and homework submit here. And you would actually come in here, browse my computer, and I have, you remember I put it on my desktop in my sandbox. This is the summer, this is the folder. Voila, this was actually one more. It's this one right here, right? So this is the file. I would highlight it, click on it, and it will upload this file to me. All right, and you go down here and you make sure you click on submit. I can't stress enough in this is that please don't wait until the last minute to upload. If you wait until, if this file, which one of the labs is kind of large, lab 3 and 4, or 4, I can't remember which one, the file size is going to be huge. So what I need for you to do is, don't wait. Upload speed is a lot slower than download speed. All right, which means if you wait until like 11:55, 5 minutes before the due date, and you're trying to upload 20 megs, good luck. Okay, so you're not going to make it. All right, please do not procrastinate. Please don't wait until the last minute. You're going to run into issues. All right, so let's get this thing out of the way, finish it early, and let's move on. Okay, that's my advice to you in that. So let's give yourself some time. All right, that's enough for the soapbox. If you have a question, email me. All right.